Coming up, I'm going to let you know 3 critical things that marketers should focus on so they can become a powerful lead generation engine for their company. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce and I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Lead generation is the lifeline for a company's growth. It's the foundation of revenue generating marketing. It's a comprehensive, goal-oriented, data-driven marketing approach to help grow a company's revenue. This approach can make a significant difference in a marketing team's perception internally and whether or not a company thrives or fails. Marketers understand the power of lead generation, with 53% of marketers spending at least half of their marketing budget on lead generation, according to Bright Talk. Lead generation is the process of attracting and converting people who don't know about your company into individuals who have a strong interest in buying your products and services. The ultimate goal of lead generation is to warm up your prospects and pass them along to sales. When you receive business card information from your leads, such as name, job title, company name, and email address, it's essential to put that data into your marketing automation system. This helps you track all of your leads and then you can nurture them through emails. It's also critical to connect your marketing automation system with your customer relationship management system, or CRM. When you integrate systems together, you can have a holistic view of your leads and the times that they interacted with your company. Now that you understand lead generation, let's talk about how to optimize it. According to HubSpot, 61% of marketers consider lead generation as their biggest challenge. There are 3 crucial things to improve your lead generation efforts. They are: generate more leads, produce better leads, and convert more leads. Let's dive into these 3 areas so that you can improve your lead generation process, increase your sales, and help your company grow. Number 1, generate more leads. To generate more leads, you need lead magnets. A lead magnet is a marketing buzzword term for a free item that you give away for contact information. Lead magnets can be anything from an ebook, a research report, an interactive quiz, a checklist, a template. It's important to create treasured lead magnets. These lead magnets need to have a lot of value. Why? Because consumers in the United States now are less likely to share personal information. Your lead magnets need to solve a problem that your target audience is having, and you need to do it in a non-salesy way and give it away for free. Once you create lead magnets, you need to focus on the landing page that hosts it. Landing pages need to be compelling enough so people are willing to give your contact information. Additionally, make sure your website homepage is optimized for lead generation. For example, the website homepage needs to communicate your company's value proposition. It needs to point to other lead magnets, talk about your products and services, and highlight your helpful content. If you don't set up a website homepage correctly, you could lose your visitors' trust, losing potential sales. I'll link a video up above to it. To drive more traffic to your lead magnets and landing pages, it's important to invest in digital advertising like Google Ads. Another digital advertising channel to invest in to promote your lead magnets is LinkedIn. It's an underutilized social media platform, so it's an excellent opportunity for your lead generation efforts. LinkedIn sponsored content, for example, allows you to create and publish native ads that promote your lead magnets within the LinkedIn newsfeed. Another way is through organic social media. You can generate more leads by promoting your lead magnets via social media on platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other popular social media channels. Promoting lead magnets via social media is free, and it's a great way to promote your content and drive traffic to your lead magnet landing pages. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is another way. In-person and virtual events is another excellent way to collect contact information, because people need to register for your event to attend. Number 2, produce better leads. Once you've created the lead generation engine by producing many leads, it's essential that you focus on quality over quantity. You may have a lot of contact information for people, but it's the target audience who will buy your products and service that matter the most. The point is not to collect a lot of information from a lot of different people, but collect data from your target audience. It's essential to spend more research on the marketing activities that are converting the best. If you're generating many leads every month, you can analyze which marketing channels produce the most leads and convert the most. You'll most likely see that the Pareto principle applies, where 80% of the successful outcomes come from 20% of the activities. In other words, 20% of your marketing efforts will produce 80% of your marketing leads. It's essential to stop investing in marketing tactics that bring low quality leads and invest more in the channels that produce higher quality leads. It's also important to know your target audience and the essential characteristics that they possess, such as what type of company they work at, what their job title is, and what industry they're in. It's crucial to develop your buyer persona using free tools like HubSpot's Make My Persona. Number 3, convert more leads. Once you generate more leads and better leads, it's essential to identify the leads that convert the best. Find out what marketing channels are producing the most sales opportunities and bringing in the most customers. It's also crucial to create email nurturers so that leads you generate are warmed up once they get into your market automation system. A warm lead is more likely to engage with you and talk to your sales team about your products and services. Email marketing is crucial to converting more leads. According to Campaign Monitor, you'll receive a 4,400% return on investment for every dollar you spend on email marketing. To increase lead conversions, lead nurturing through email marketing helps you increase your chances of converting leads into paying customers. Just because a person gives you their contact information doesn't mean they're ready to purchase from you. That's why effective email marketing and email nurturing sequences are essential. They are the series of emails designed to help your leads learn about your company. They are pre-written emails to deliver information such as other helpful content, coupons, discounts, and even an email digest. Email nurtures establish a positive relationship. It helps your company stay top of mind so that when your prospects are ready to buy, they think about your company. These emails are crucial because every time you send them an email that is useful and helpful, they are more likely to convert. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. If you want your marketing efforts to grow your business, you need to improve your lead generation efforts. After you focus on it, you must tweak it by generating more, better, and higher converting leads. When you do this, you'll increase your sales and grow your company's revenue. Thank you for watching. Until next time.